In this Excel tutorial, I will guide you the fastest way to make text uppercase in Excel. So for example, you want to convert the K column, which is the brand column, to in uppercase. Then how you can do that? Put the equal sign, type uppercase function and open the bracket, select the cell reference, close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that. So use the fill handle to make all brands into the uppercase. So if you have a bulk data, so use the Power BI query. So how you can do that? For example, again select this cell, select the entire range and then go to the data and click on the from table range and click on the OK. A new window will be open in the Power Query editor. And then go to the transform and click on the format, and here you will see that uppercase. Click on that and here the all brands are converted into the uppercase. So go to the home and now close and load. Click on that, close and load. Then it will be open in the new tab and you can see that the entire brands are converted into the uppercase. So these are really helpful for those who use the bulk data. So in this way you can convert any data into uppercase in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.